French or Republique Française is one of the countries located in the historical and cultural inclusion in one of the most important in the Western world, playing a significant role in international affairs by having former colonial countries in every corner of the world. France is a democratic republic, upholding the principle of government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Political leaders are elected by universal suffrage, which means that all citizens, both men and women, have the right to vote. France is a state of law established on the basis of law that all citizens, including public authorities, must follow based on the current constitution of the country is the constitution of the Fifth Republic and adopted in 1988. The French occur in the period 1789 until 1799, which was marked by the attack on the Bastille prison on July 14, 1789. As a result of the French Revolution, there was a major change in the French political structure. The absolute monarchy system stood for hundreds of years collapsed in just a matter of years. The social stratification based on the feudalism, aristocracy, and monarchy collapsed as a result of the left-wing movement by the proletariat, by the masses, and by the rural peasants. Long before the French Revolution, the Europa continent was a collection of kingdoms with an absolute monarchy system, including France. Briefly, the French Revolution resulted in the death of King Louis. The end of life King Louis and his wife was very tragic. In 1972, the Legislative Council made the important decisions, abolishing the old form of government, the monarchy, into a French republic and imposing the death penalty by guillotine on Louis and his wife, as well as other captured court nobles. France has a legal system, namely civil law. According to Johansson, civil law is a law that acquires binding force because its legal sources are manifest in the regulation that from the law and are systematic, arranged in a certain codification of compilation, with the main principle being legal certainty. The basic principle of the continental Europa system is that the law acquires binding force because it's a regulation in the form of a law that is systematically organized in codification. The source of civil law in France is based on written law and pours as many norms as possible into the rule of law. Thus, the main source of law is the law formed by the holder of legislative power and the habits that live in society as long as they do not contradict existing regulation. Therefore, the civil law legal system is also often referred to as law is law. Main source in continental Europa is the legislation formed by the legislator. According to Johansson, civil law has three main characteristics, namely the existence of binding law, so that codification is required. 2. Judges are not bound to the president. And 3. The judicial system is inquisitorial in nature. In the French constitutional system, judicial power is regulated in the French Constitution and the law governing the Constitutional Council. The Constitutional Council carries out the function of constitutional review, with the subject of review held by the quasi-judicial institution. Constitutional review in French is limited to preventive review or review of the Constitution.